Environmental study, lesson number 15, our body. Can you tell what are these children doing? Children are using the parts of the body for doing different activities. In this lesson we will see different parts of the body and we have to point out here different parts of the body. In this question, can you tell? Now what you have to point out? Check here what you have to point out. Forehead, cheek, nose, ear, tummy, chest, arm, wrist, palm. Inner side of the arm, inner side of our hand is palm, thigh, knee, foot. These are the parts of our body. The structure of the body. Now check the structure of the body. The head, torso, arms and legs are the main parts of the body. The head, arms and legs are joined to the torso. Look here. Head, torso, this is torso, arms and legs are the main parts of our body. The head, arms and legs are joined to the torso. Where it is joined? It is joined to the torso. This part is called torso. Torso. Check the spelling, T-O-R-S-O. Now head we will see. Head, check your head. The head is covered with hair. Below the forehead are two eyes, eyebrows and eyelashes. On the sides are the ears. In front is the nose. Below the nose is the mouth and below that the chin. The part that joins the head to the torso. Head, this is head, this is our head and this is our torso. Look here also. Head and this is torso. And the part which is joined here, look here, this is called neck. This is called neck. Now what is torso? What torso is? The chest. Look here, the chest, abdomen and back part together make torso. And this is throat. Look here, the chest, abdomen, neck, back side neck, look at throat. The part where the arm is joined to the torso is called the shoulder. Here the arm, look here, arm, these are our arms. Arms are joined here to the torso. This part is torso. Here it is joined, it is called shoulder. This part is called shoulder. Here we are seeing shoulder. These are shoulders. And the leg is joined to the torso. Leg. Here up to here, this torso, the leg is joined to the torso at the hip point. These are the hip point. Hip points are here. You can touch your body and find out. In some other activity we will do that. Arm. Now look there, what is arm? Arm means the arm has three parts. Look here. Upper arm, this is upper arm, this is forearm and hand. The fingers are the part of the hand. Fingers are the part of the hand. Fingers are the part of the hand. The upper arm and the forearm are joined at the elbow. This is called elbow. The forearm and hand are joined at the wrist. This is wrist, where we wear our watch. घड़ी पहनते हैं, जहाँ पर बंगड़ी पहनते हैं. This is called wrist. These are the parts of the arm. Now parts of the leg we will see. Leg, see. The leg too has three parts. And what are the three parts? Thigh, shank, foot. Toes are part of the foot. Look at toes. पैर के जो उंगलियां रहती. Toes are part of the foot. The thigh and shank are joined to the knee. Here it is joined to the knee. The shank, look this part. The shank and foot are joined at the ankle. ये ankle है, जहाँ पर गर्ल्स पायल पहनती है या जनरली वी वेयर शूज़ अप टू ईयर. not long shoes, up to the ankle length. I think so you all have understood this part, and the next part, in the next session, we will find out what are the new terms or what are the organs. Till then, thank you so much.